Hi, I'm playing Minecraft right now. It's called Void SMP Look, and I'm building a new base, and it's my pickaxe broke, and I play with this junk computer. It's so old, and don't lag. I'm noob at this SMP, but I'll show you my world. It's kinda bad. This is my world. It's kind of bad. Oh, I have pickaxe here. I can use this though to build my new base. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching the video.